Me and my friend decide to choose Rolls-Royce for our group report. This is because Rolls-Royce one of the best cars industry in the world. Rolls-Royce is well-known car company in the British countryside that has been widely known since the Second World War era. Rolls-Royce was founded by Charles Rolls, monitoring and aviation pioneer, and Henry Royce, the famous British car and aero engineer. Then they became a partner of the Rolls-Royce company. The Rolls-Royce headquarters are based in Derby, London, United Kingdom. Bayerische Motorenwerke AG is the current company owned the Rolls-Royce, and Warren is the current CEO. Rolls-Royce company manufactures motor vehicle, and Rolls-Royce also introduced British fighter aircraft engines during the Second World War. Until now, the aircraft has been used for passenger aircraft, which is Airbus. Rolls-Royce engines are currently used to produce commercial and military jet engines for military, civilian, and company aircraft customers worldwide. As in the US, the business has engines for regional and business jets, airliners, and turboprop aircraft. The shape and taste of Rolls-Royce car for the elite and the rich people. In addition, almost all of the new cars sold by Rolls-Royce are expensive and high of quality. Among the purpose, Rolls-Royce car are the most expensive because Rolls-Royce car have richer, unlimited extras, upgrades, and adjustments. Only one person makes a detailed painting by hand. It said that the picture has 20 more layers. Among the car model products that has been released by Rolls-Royce are Ghost 2010, Gold 2013, Dawn 2015, Phantom and Julian 2018, and some Rolls-Royce car concepts such as 100EX, 101EX, Hyperion, 200EX, 102EX, 103EX, and Mini.
Rolls-Royce design. There are innovation and opportunity selection, preliminary concept definition, and full concept definition. Rolls-Royce operation, product realizations, and product in service support. Rolls-Royce services, continuing in services support, and end of life disposal. Rolls-Royce product development stages. There are 6 product development stages that Rolls-Royce company does for their product design, and the stages has divided into 3 parts, which is design, operation, and services. Rolls-Royce innovation phase. R&D since over 25 years, researchers have been coordinating studies of pioneering academic institutions. Every year, companies spend over 1.5 billion on net research and innovation to develop new technologies. Introduction phase. Rolls-Royce operates 50,000 aircraft engines for 300 airlines, 2,400 public companies, and more than 100 armed forces. Rolls-Royce renowned and valuable brand for its quality, efficiency provided to its user. Rolls-Royce growth phase. Rolls-Royce predicts that developing countries of China, India, and Russia will help increase business jet market growth $61 billion over the next 20 years. It is because the growth trend of business jet deliveries now exceeds the pace of narrow-body commercial airlines deliveries. Rolls-Royce maturity phase. Rolls-Royce and Lufthansa technique is to discover close integration in technical care of major engines. The project designed to reduce the cost of maintenance of major Trent 500 engines, Airbus 500 aircraft. Rolls-Royce decline phases. Rolls-Royce has pledged to make the defense and aerospace group simpler after it reported that profit has slumped by more than half. The pre-tax profit fell by 57% to 31 million in the 6 months. Rolls-Royce type of research. Rolls-Royce using design and engineering research. It is because they have researcher and expertise in engineering who is contribute in development product.
So what are the process strategy? The process strategy of Rolls-Royce is operation strategy. The core point is the operation and management practice in the long run, on which the company spends the most. The main reason for high expense on the operation department is because they are responsible for the process in production of product. Not only this, the operation management roles are widely extended to supply chain and the services management in the company. The current situation describes the increase in demand, thus which leads to higher expectations by the customer in terms of high quality product, lower cost, and feasible deliveries across the world. With the increase in competition with their competitors in the market and globalizations, the competition has eventually increased. Now the formulation of a new strategy has to be implemented by the company to compete their competitors like Audi and Mercedes and BMW. Evidence shows of the operation system in Rolls-Royce has focused more on the basic functions. This starts from branding, organizing, leading, and controlling leaders. That is essential for the production of product. Rolls-Royce has focused on resource management as well to decrease the extra cost. The resources that Rolls-Royce require include materials, top quality management, and human resource, which could work together for the development of the new strategies to bring change. The operation management system of Rolls-Royce highlight more high efficiency, low labor, low unit cost, and high cost on human resource system. The methodology to Rolls-Royce in their operation strategy is to invest in development of part manufacturing and product efficiency that will enable them to reduce environment and its impact on the organizational operation strategy. Rolls-Royce also focus in the production of automobiles, and the most impressive factors of Rolls-Royce are the customer and supply. Operation management strategy deals with manufacturing and deliver high quality and high durable luxury automobiles. Along with the operation management system ensure the reduce the cost and risk associated with manufacture. Rolls-Royce is high-end brand car which take high amount in its manufacturing and much more to get launched into the market. Keeping everything running smoothly, Rolls-Royce across manufacturing to further facilitate keep costs high. Cutting-edge technology which means most of the part of the Rolls-Royce are handmade which make it priced on high sky. This strategy pursue customers to get attracted to a new technology and they will pay a high amount in the order to get this car. Objective of the Royce is to continue establishing themselves as a leading supplier in the fast-growing industry to maintain its ranking. Royce incur high amounts to give the best quality its valuable customers. They focus much on its quality, which is tangible because it is a renowned brand from across the world. First technique Rolls-Royce uses for quality management is the car model into the market. Car has to undergo their product testing for quality checkup. Second, when passed by the first strategy, Rolls-Royce car come for quality assurance. However, this stage is used when the manufacturing cars. Extra effort is exercised on quality checkup because maximum time is spent on manufacturing the product. Total quality management is the most important stage of quality management checkup which is proceeded by Rolls-Royce. Owning a Rolls-Royce is a dream come true for many people. Although owning Rolls-Royce is an effort full pleasure, the time gap between first deposit of upfront and getting the ownership has become easier by higher standard authorized network or dealer offers. However, Rolls-Royce manufacture only 4,000 units in a year, where their customer can avail the key with the waiting period minimum 8 months. Rolls-Royce has invested a lot in transformation from automobile company that manufacture nuclear energy oriented automobiles and aerospace products. The civil aerospace, nuclear energy products and defense products are extended by Rolls-Royce and has given chance to multi-billion manufacturing. The innovation of Royce in their power system that provide a huge variety of power system and high-speed engines for various machinery like ship, rail, defense industry, and
We recommend that the company should diversify their design with a fresh look to attract more customers. Second, the company should change to eco-friendly vehicle in order to reduce air pollution. For example, Tesla is using an eco-friendly technology. This is their initiative to reduce the environmental pollution. In a nutshell, we can conclude that the Rolls-Royce company is very successful in terms of their management, nor to their financial and brand name. The Rolls-Royce company also is quite long and worth the market price for years and decades, which why they are always preferred by the elite.